in less than 10 days, I'll be moving countries. नए दोस्त बनाऊंगी and whatnot. But there's a part of me which is really nervous. Like myself to sleep every single night. Hey guys, it's me Yumna, and in less than 10 days, I'll be moving countries. मतलब I'll leave behind my family, my friends, and the place I've called home for the past 16 years. Which is really weird क्योंकि there is a part of me जो बहुत excited है, like let's go, मैं नए लोगों से मिलूंगी, नए दोस्त बनाऊंगी and what not. But there is a part of me which is really nervous, like what if I don't fit in with people, what if I get bullied, what if I get excluded from every single thing, every single activity. So I just felt like opening up my camera and talking about how I actually feel about this. So a lot of you might wonder, or might not wonder at all, but why am I even moving and why India? Well, the reason is pretty simple. मेरे जो स्कूल था उसमें 10 तक की क्लासेस थे, मतलब उसके बाद +1 +2 नहीं था. एंड टू कंटिन्यू आवर स्टडीज हमें कहीं तो जाना है, सो इंडिया इट इज़. एंड वाई इंडिया? फर्स्टली इट्स माई मदर लैंड. सेकेंडली मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं who are also moving to different parts of India, and they'll continue their studies there. And I think we all are on the same page, Loki, starting a new chapter of our lives in the same country, just in different states. Plus, I'll be staying with my khala, which honestly makes me feel like a lot better because, guys, I'm only 16. At least I know I'll have someone there to support me while I figure everything out. And there are things I'm really excited for. Like, imagine I walk in and everybody's like, oh my god, that's the new girl, OMG, so cool. And I just make friends, and we all are like a new group of friends, and we all are like, having fun. And all the teachers are like, okay, this bachi will catch up, it's okay, she's a good student. And समथिंग आई एम लाइक रियली एक्साइटेड अबाउट इज इंडियन स्ट्रीट फूड, जो मुझे पता है मेरे को रोज़ खाने नहीं मिलेगा या फिर बिल्कुल खाने नहीं मिलेगा, लेकिन आई लाइक स्ट्रीट फूड. ओके, लाइक गोलगप्पे, एंड वहाँ के रेस्टोरेंट्स में भी लाइक. एंड देन एट द सेम टाइम देर आर थिंग्स जिनको लाइक सोच के ऐसा होता है कि भाई साहब अगर ये हो गया, आई क्राई माई सेल्फ टू स्लीप एवरी सिंगल नाइट. लाइक इमेजिन ऑन माई फर्स्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल आई गेट बुलीड. Like, that's my worst nightmare. Like, भाई साहब, no, please leave me alone. अगर आपको उनसे बात नहीं करनी मत करो, लेकिन don't bully me. Else, like, sickness scares me. Like, अगर मैं वहाँ जाती बीमार हो गई ना, I'll be really sad. Like, why? And like leaving my parents, Saudi Arabia, my friends, and like being a new girl is very scary in its own. So I think we will learn how to live with it. So there are things I'm going to miss a lot. And top one, my friends, man. I'll miss my friends. I'll miss my old school. I'll miss my old teachers. What do you mean jinke saath I was for like 12 years? I'm just leaving all of them and going to a whole new place जहाँ मैं किसी को नहीं जानती होगी. Like in my school, everyone knew me. Everyone knew me. But now I'm changing schools and no one will know me. I'll be the new, but I'll be the most brand new person in that school. I know there might be new students, but who cares? Me, I'm important, guys. I'm not, but it's okay. So I miss my friends a lot because I don't think I've spent enough time with them. And then I'll miss मेरे घर वाले, obviously. And then I'll miss my brother the most. भाई साहब, my छोटू brother is so nice. What else will I miss? मेरा कमरा, I'll miss this room so much. I've spent like since December, I've been rotting in this room. Board exam से पहले I'm in this room, just in this room doing nothing. I was studying, guys, okay? So it's really sad. I'll miss my home. But at the same time, I feel like moving to India will mature me up, क्योंकि इससे मैं बहुत सारे लोगों को मुझसे प्रॉब्लम है कि you're so immature, you're this, you're that. I hike, you don't care about them, but at the same time, moving to India, low-key, I mean, it may mature me up because like I'm supposed to, like, खाला के साथ रह सकता है. I cannot completely be like खाला ये कर दो वो कर दो. I'm supposed to do shit by myself as well. Hoping that I'll make new friends. I'm hoping that everything goes well, nothing goes wrong. I know there will be क्या कहते हैं उसे टाइम जहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीज़ें होगी कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, but it's okay, that's how life works. And I hope moving to India is really worth it. And with that, I would like to end this video. And a note to future Yumna, if you're seeing this video, bro, make sure to make an update. Not for anyone, but for yourself. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.